Hi everyone, welcome back. In this episode, I'm going to create some fun stuff using a unicorn theme. I'm going to be a little over the top. I'm going to do some simple things, I'm going to do some crazy things, and then I'm going to put it all together and you're going to see how this is going to be in reality. And let's start with, this is a huge fish bowl, but it's a pedestal fish bowl. And this is unicorn. These are multiple little vases, ceramic vases that are done in a little tray format, which is actually quite unique. Again, there's a fish bowl, and then we have an assortment color of all rainbow pastels. You know, starting from lilacs to roses to coffee beans and Kermit mums and all that stuff. And then we've got iridescent paper, which is, I don't know if you see it on camera, it's quite luminescent of a very iridescent-y colors. And I've done some little fun flower pom-pom pieces that I will be using sporadically in here. And okay, so then this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to start with doing a really simple one, taking this bubble bowl, let me push this aside, taking this bubble bowl and taking pieces of iridescent paper. These are sheets, they come in sheets and they come in rolls. This is the iridescent paper and I had some leftovers, and with static, as you can see, it just kind of takes on a whole nother little thing. And then I have this unicorn ceramic container. The reason I'm doing foam is I'm gonna have a little bit more control over everything rather than it controlling me, I'm controlling it. I'm gonna take some lilacs, this blush color ones. Take a rose. We'll take a peach color. And take a little bit of green. A little bit of blue. And a little bit of lavender. And we've got the pastel rainbow colors in this arrangement already. I'm going with the lavender rose. And then I'm going to gently place it inside this bubble bowl. And look how whimsical and fun this looks. Really simple to do. Then I'm gonna put this aside. I'm gonna leave the big one for the last to show you. I'm gonna take this vase and I'm gonna fill it with water. I'm gonna show you how to make these afterwards, but I'm gonna take these pom-poms that I made and I'm gonna go in here. And then I'm taking my pieces of flowers and I'm doing a random multiple of flowers in each one. And I'm going to take some of the berries and I'm going to clean out the greens. I'm just going to leave the coffee beans by itself. And I'm going to use it in maybe one or two. There you go. Then I'm going to take lavender roses, clean off the petals, the green. And then I'm going to continue to do one more of this peach color. I'm going to tuck it in the back here. Look how fun and magical this looks. I don't know how it looks on camera, but I can see it from here. It's all like Yummy, yummy, yummy. I'm gonna put this away, and then I'm going to take the largest of containers that I have. Oh, let me show you this. So it's one piece of paper like this. It comes this big. I've cut it into 4 pieces. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna crunch it. Go like this. And then I take the center. I take a piece of wire that I've already cut in half. And I place it like this. Twist it. Open it up. Like this. And I can cut this with the wire cutters. Like this. And I'm okay with it. See? And I've made a little flower pom-pom. Just open it up a little bit. And that's ready to go. See how easy this was to make? And fun too. And you can turn back and you can make these little pom-poms. Do a whole bunch of them. And you can put it in the other one that you didn't do any flowers, but you can do this. Almost like a chia pet kind of a feel. And I'm just cutting this up. I think this looks cute. I think this is just another interesting little texture, playful usage of materials that you can do to make your dreams come true. And I think just this iridescent is so whimsical and mystical kind of in feeling. So this is why I chose the iridescent paper. Amazing, right? And then I'm gonna take this big bubble bowl. This is huge. I'm gonna take 2 pieces of floral foam that I've already pre-soaked. And I'm gonna start doing florals in it. But it's gonna be a little difficult because I'm gonna be working backwards. Too bad, the iridescent paper could have looked really, really nice. But I think I should be able to capture the elegance of this. I love the pinks, the peaches, the lavenders. I love those colorations together. I love the yellows, I love the greens. There's something. I'm gonna take some of this iridescent paper and go back in here and just kind of hide. And what I'm doing is I'm covering the foam with the iridescent paper because the flowers are not covering the whole thing. I'm just taking some pieces, the leftover pieces of it, and just kind of nestling them in throughout the bowl. And then it also that iridescent element is being added, which gives it that unicorn, aesthetic. I'm gonna take my thistle that's painted in kind of a paler blue. And this is done with a spray paint. And this was done earlier. Let's go back in and I'll just, situate some here and there. I'm going to take the unicorn. I think it's time to put the unicorn because then I have to fill the space around it. And look, this is so chic right now. It's amazing. And I can see how far I can go in and out of the arrangement. And just having the unicorn just be in the bed of flowers is so unique. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the green berries, so the coffee beans actually, not even berries. This is... Do you not love this right now? I'm so loving this right now. It's gonna be condensed a little bit because of all the different types of moisture it's building up with from all the flowers. I think different. This took a little longer than I expected, but it's turning out so incredible. Like, I'm gonna style this. I'm gonna finish this off. I'm gonna style it. And we're gonna come back and we're gonna take a look at it and go, oh my God, this is so stunning. Just the whole composition of the colors. I need to add a little bit more green here and there, because I think it's lacking the green. And we can even put some thistle since we have some. And if we intensify it, if we group it together, the color is going to be a little bit more saturated instead of loose. And here, I have one more to go, and we're going to finish this off, and I'm going to clean the table, and we're going to come back and you're going to see how gorgeous this came out to be. So once again, I'm surprised at myself. And I just want to see how this iridescent unicorn magical rainbow thing came out. I also have some shredded little iridescent paper that what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sprinkle all into the bubble bowl. And what it's going to do is just going to give it a whole different layer of like interest and coloration. And it gets, you know, staticky, so you might want to like get a tape and untape yourself with all of this. Anyways, thank you so much for tuning in. If you are not following me on social media, you will find the links on the screen. Once again, I am surprised of all the craziness that I came up with today for you guys, but I hope you're inspired once more, and peace out.